This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and making sure you have edit access. Without edit permission, you can't change the background. Once the doc is open, go straight to the Format menu or Background option in the toolbar to begin. Choose whether you want a solid color, a custom image, or a transparent background. This choice affects file size and readability. Make the first adjustments now so the next steps apply to the right background type and save time later. Next, select the specific background. If you choose color, pick from the palette or type a hex code so contrast stays accessible. You want legible text versus decorative background. If you pick an image, upload a file, drag and drop, or paste a URL, then choose how it fits the page, fill, fit, tile, or custom position, because fit affects cropping and alignment. Once done, preview a couple of pages to confirm the background looks consistent and doesn't obscure content. Finish by saving or applying the background, and then review the document on another device or in print preview to make sure it renders correctly. Make sure text contrast is sufficient. Lighter or muted backgrounds often work better for readability, while darker backgrounds require bold, light text. If something goes wrong, an upload fails or the image won't apply, reduce the image file size, rename the file to remove special characters, or verify your account permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.